Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of SharePass. Today let's continue with the extension, but this time let's create a secret using a template. So let's create our template, new template. Let's call it extension, another label, just put a company ABC and a private description. So let's save it. We can mark it as favorite and let's compose our email. So once we type the secret, we just select it, right click, SharePass from template, and as you can see, we can find the template what we just created. We can also apply some filters and select the template. So the secret has been created using the template settings. If you go to our secret list, we should be able to see the secret that was recently created. I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode, and as usual, don't risk it, share pass it.